CBSE class 10 question number 1. In the given figure, if DE parallel BC, DE parallel BC and AD is to DB is equal to 5 is to 4, then find area of triangle DFE. This should be F. DFE by area of triangle CFB. You have to find out what is the ratio of the area DFE is to BFC. So let us solve it. This question has come from CBSE in the year 2012, 2011, 2010. So very important question. So let us solve it. So in triangle DFE and in triangle CFB, in these two triangle DFE and CFE, this is your vertically opposite angle. It should be equal 1. Suppose this angle is 2. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are vertically opposite angle. Since they are vertically opposite angle, therefore angle 1 must be equal to angle 2. Again, DE parallel BC, D parallel BC and DC is the transversal. Therefore, this angle must be equal to this angle. This is alternate angle. Suppose this is 4, 3, this is 4. Therefore, since DE parallel BC, therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because they are alternate angle. Since D parallel BC, therefore alternate angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, two triangles. Therefore, triangles DFE similar triangle CFB. Since two triangles are similar, therefore we can write area of triangle DFE by area of triangle CFB is equal to DE square by BC square. DE square by BC square. Since two triangles DFE and BFC are similar, therefore we can write area of triangle DFE by area of triangle CFE is equal to DE square by BC square. Now let us find what is the value of DE by BC. Then put the value of DE by BC and you will get the ultimate result. Here given AD is to BD is equal to 5 by 7. This is AD is equal to 5 is to 4. Therefore, we can write AD by AB is equal to AD means 5 by AB means 5 plus 4. This is 5 plus 4 ratio, that is 5 by 9. Okay. So AD by BD will be 5 by 9. Now take two triangle ABC and triangle ADF. AD. This is a common angle. A is common here. Angle A is equal to common. And angle B is equal to angle D, because D parallel BC given. A B is the transversal, therefore angle B is equal to angle D. Suppose this is your angle, this is your angle 5, this is angle 6. Therefore angle 5 is equal to angle 6. So two triangles, triangle ABC similar triangle ADE. Two triangles ADE and ABC are similar. Since they are similar, therefore we can write, since they are similar, therefore we can write AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. DE by BC. Yeah, again DE by BC is equal to DE by BC is equal to AD by AB is equal to 5 by 9. So put the value, suppose this is the equation 1, put the equation 2, put the value of DE by BC in equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. So put the value of equation 1 here. Put the value of DE by BC is equal to 5 by 9 square is equal to 25 by 81. So area of this, ratio of the area of this two triangle is equal to 25:18. Answer. Okay, this is your answer. Very important question. So first take two triangle DFE and FBC. Two triangles are similar because this is vertically opposite and angle 3 is equal to 4. This is alternate angle because DE parallel BC. Therefore two triangles are similar. Since two triangles are similar, then area of this triangle by area of this triangle is equal to side square, DE square by BC square, according to the area of triangles theorem. Then find the value of D by BC. Here given AD is by DB is equal to 5:4. Therefore AD by AB is equal to 5 by 9. So here two triangles DE and ABC are similar. Since A is the common angle, angle D is equal to angle B. Therefore two triangles ADE and ABC are similar. Since two triangles are similar, then ratio of the sides will be equal, that is AD by AB is equal to BE by BC. Here put the value of AB by AD is equal to 5 by 9, that is equal to DE by BC. So put the value of DE by BC, then you will get the ultimate result 25:81. So next question.